गाइस वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले आपसे एक छोटी सी रिक्वेस्ट है कि अगर आपने मेरा ये चैनल व्यू स्टूडेंट सपोर्ट सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो इसको आप जो है यहाँ पर सब्सक्राइब कर लें। और इस चैनल पे जो है मैं डेली जो है व्यू से रिलेटेड वीडियोस जो है वो अपलोड करता रहता हूँ और आपको यहाँ पर हर तरह की वीडियोस मिल जाएंगी। व्यू एलएमएस से रिलेटेड पास पेपर्स और व्यू के जितने भी सॉफ्टवेयर यूज़ होते हैं लेक्चर्स में वो आपको यहाँ पर सब मिल जाएंगे, ठीक है। और सेकेंडली आपको जो है यहाँ पर वेबसाइट है हमारे viewstudentsuppport.com। यहाँ पर आपको आके आप जितनी भी इंफॉर्मेशन व्यू से रिलेटेड लेना चाहते हैं, अगर आप न्यू स्टूडेंट हैं और तो आपको यहाँ पर मिल जाएगी। और आपको यहाँ पर साथ ही पास पेपर्स और आइडिया सॉल्यूशन जो हैं वो असाइनमेंट्स मिल जाएंगे यहाँ पर। और सॉफ्टवेयर्स यहाँ पर डाउनलोड के लिए मिल जाएंगे और साथ ही साथ आपको जो है हैंडआउट्स, पास पेपर्स और हर चीज़ आपको यहाँ पर मिलेगी। तो चलिए चलते हैं वीडियो की तरफ। Hello guys, in today's video I'll be showing you the overseas exam demo, and in this video I'll be telling you how to give the overseas exam, okay, and what steps are you should perform before starting your exam or before your exams. First of all, you need to follow certain steps in your operating system, okay, and the steps are these, which you can see. The first step you have to do is to that you change your operating system language, which means the Windows you have installed. I know most of you guys have English language in your operating system, but in case if anybody don't have this default language, operating system language to English, then they should change it. So how they can change this, I'm going to show you. First of all, you need to go to your control panel. In control panel, what you guys need to do is to search for language. Okay, go to language, first option. Then what you guys need to do is to go to options here, and choose the input method and search from here the English language. As you can see, my default language is here English. So if you have not the English or any other language, so you should check that from here. So this is our first step which is required. The second step is that you need to change Internet Explorer proxy settings, okay, and you need to disable them. So for that, in case if you have turned them on, or if you're in your Windows it is turned on in some cases, so you need to go to internet options. You will type here internet in the search bar, or just write full internet options. You will get this thing, and this thing will come up, internet properties. Then you need to go to connections, and after that you need to go to LAN settings and disable this proxy server from here. If it is checked, you need to uncheck this, click OK and close this. Then after that, what you need to do is to check your audio or microphone, if it is properly working or not. For that, you guys need to do is to go to your this here little microphone you can see, and open its menu and click on playback devices. Then what you guys need to do is to go to your recording, and as you can see that this is the microphone I am running on, and the blinking is showing that this is running. And if you have attached any external microphone which is not built in your laptop or PC, so you need to plug it in, and you will see the option here, and just click it and set that microphone default by the clicking set default option. Okay, and the same for the audio device, but in case of audio device, what you guys need to, you can't use headphones during your exams. Okay, so only the audio using through speakers or your default laptop speakers coming from, that is the audio. You can't use headphones during exam. Okay, so let's go to next step. Now your webcam which you have connected, it is an external webcam. Okay, you cannot use the webcam which is built in your laptop or PC, but you should use your webcam which is external. Okay, and your webcam should not be configured with Skype or any other application than exam software. Okay, so if when you're using your exam software, your Skype and all that stuff might not be running. Okay, else your exam will be cancelled, and you will not be given any further chance for exams. Okay, then you guys need to install exam software. For that, what you guys need to do is that you need to go to a website which is qp.vu.edu.pk. Okay, I will put it in the description, so it will be easy for you to access it. So you need to go there and log in, just like you log in your LMS. You click there and log in, put your ID and password, sign in, and you will redirect it to this page again. So here you need to download all these stuff like this software and the installation guide and user manual, the .NET framework. If you guys don't have, to check that if you have or not that .NET framework, what you guys need to do, you need to go to control panels and programs and features, and here you can see the .NET framework if you have installed it or not. Okay, so then what you need to do, download the TeamViewer. Okay, basically you need to download everything you got here. And now I'm going to show you how to set up the TeamViewer. When you download the exam software, you actually get a setup file. Okay, and you install that setup file, and it's basically a simple installation, and you install it and its icon come here and on your desktop and run it. And furthermore, I will tell you later on. Okay, so for TeamViewer, I have it set up in here, so I'll search it. Okay, so I got the setup here. So when you download it, it will ask you the basic installation. You will select that, it's pre-selected, and the main important thing is that you will select personal non-commercial use. Okay, click that and accept, and it will install. Now you guys need to install this TeamViewer from the download this TeamViewer from the exact page which I have shown to you. Okay, you don't need to download it from searching from Google, because when you do that you will download its latest version, and you don't have to do that. Okay, because if you says to download its TeamViewer 8, okay, I don't know what is the reason behind it, but they say to download the TeamViewer 8 version, and yeah, so you guys need to download the TeamViewer from here. Don't download it from Google. So the thing, those people who don't know that how to use the TeamViewer, I got many comments in that regard, that how to use it, what is the purpose of the TeamViewer, and so the purpose of the TeamViewer is that your instructor can see your desktop screen and what you are doing on your desktop screen. Okay, the purpose of the software is that. So how to allow that thing is you give your ID, you can see it here, this ID, and your password, which is this one, to your invigilator, and he will tag that and connect to your desktop during exam. Okay, and how you can do that now, this is the thing which comes, and it makes many students confusing, that how I can give and contact to the invigilator and give that user ID and password. Okay, so when you run your examination software, there is a button or option for chat. When you click that option during exam or your sessions which are given you to test your examination software, and I'll be putting that link in the description of that announcement, where you can check your sessions when you can test your examination software. Okay, so you can chat, and in that chat you can give your ID and password to your invigilator, and he will get that and he will connect to your desktop. And in that software there is also an option to allow the webcam and all that stuff, just like Skype. Okay, so that software will provide you all that stuff, right? Now after TeamViewer, what you need to do is that disable your antivirus. Now this is for, I think, the examination software, because there is something, there must be something in that software or that the antivirus detects it as a malware or something like that. So you need to disable it. Now if you guys are using Windows 7, 8, 10, the options are pretty much same. You guys need to go to your Windows Defender. In Windows 7 it's Microsoft Security Essential. In Windows 8 is Windows Defender, and Windows 10 also Windows Defender. Okay, so just open it up and go to your settings and turn off this real-time protection. Okay, likewise. And in Windows 7 you can there is same option like real-time protection, and Windows 8 same. The appearance might be different, but the options are same. So this is the thing you have to do before your exam. And the last thing is that you don't use any VPN. Okay, There are a lot of VPN, and most of you guys know that what is a VPN, so you might be using on your PC, but you don't use that during the exam, okay? Because the invigilator will see that, and he might cancel your exam. The other things which are you may take care of is that you should be visible on your webcam, and if you are not visible on your webcam for a moment, for say, okay, your head is like you're seeing here and there like that, your exam will be cancelled immediately, okay? And these are the points which you take care of, and that's it. Now the students who are watching this video first time to learn how to give the exam of overseas, I am also giving the link in the description of the video, which I have provided the demo of the whole exam software, how to use that, and how to give your exam on the software, okay? And yeah, pretty much it. And also I had another video uploaded on my channel which provides all the rules and regulations for that overseas exam. Also, you will see it in the end of that video. So guys, thank you for watching this, and best of luck for your exams, especially to overseas students and out there. I found it really confusing first time myself, but I like to share these things, and I don't want that anyone else feel that same like me. And best of luck, and thank you for watching my video. If you're new, subscribe, share this video with your friends, because it will help a lot. And take care of your family, friends. Remember me in your prayers. Allah Hafiz.